Do you have hundreds of browser bookmarks and struggle to find the one you need? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to search your bookmarks with ueli. We'll cover how to enable bookmark searching, perform searches, and troubleshoot if your bookmarks don't appear. So let's get started. Before searching bookmarks, make sure the bookmark extension is enabled in ueli. Open the Settings menu, go to the Extensions section, and confirm that your browser's bookmark extension is turned on. Depending on your browser and configuration, ueli may need access to your bookmark database. If you're prompted, allow the necessary permissions, or make sure your browser stores bookmarks in its default location so ueli can read them. Now launch ueli from the Start menu, or use its keyboard shortcut if it's already running. Once the launcher appears, click the search box or simply start typing. Type part of a bookmark's title or website name. As you type, ueli searches your available bookmarks and displays matching results. Using a few unique words usually helps narrow the list much faster. When you find the bookmark you want, select it with your keyboard or mouse and press Enter. So your default web browser will open and take you directly to the bookmarked website. If your bookmarks don't appear, check that the correct bookmark extension is enabled. Refresh the extension if that option is available. And make sure you're using the same browser profile where your bookmarks are stored. Restarting ueli after making changes often helps too. And that's it. You've learned how to search bookmarks with ueli quickly and efficiently. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple technology guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.